Imagine a name that echoes through history, books, and old stories, a name that keeps coming back, Khorasan. Today, we will discover, where was Khorasan? Who lived there? What role did it play in history? And what about the famous prophecy of the army with black flags? Most importantly, has this prophecy already happened, or is it still to come? Khorasan was not just one city, but a vast historical region. The word Khorasan literally means the land where the sun rises. In ancient times, Khorasan included parts of eastern Iran, Afghanistan, Turkmenistan, Uzbekistan, Bokhara, and Samarkand, and even northern areas of Pakistan. It was a large region full of deserts, mountains, rivers, and cities. Different communities lived in Khorasan: Persians, Tajiks, Pashtun, Uzbeks, and Turkmens. It was a cultural meeting point, with rich languages, poetry, spirituality, and knowledge. Great cities like Bokhara and Samarkand became centers of learning and culture. Khorasan played a major role in Islamic history. Many scholars, Sufi saints, and thinkers came from here. In the 8th century, the Abbasid Revolution began from Khorasan. Libraries, schools, and centers of knowledge were famous across the region. One of the most talked about traditions is the prophecy that in the end times, an army will rise from Khorasan carrying black flags. This narration exists in different collections with different levels of authenticity. Some scholars say it is weak, others discuss it in detail. Interpretations vary. Some take it literally expecting a real army to appear. Some see it symbolically as a sign of spiritual or political change. Others warn that it should be read in historical context and not misused today. If we take the narration literally, scholars have given different possibilities, but one important warning: these narrations must never be used to justify violence or terrorism. Sadly, in recent times, some extremist groups misuse these traditions for their own agenda. True Islamic teachings reject such misuse. The narrations do not give exact details. Some believe the army would fight oppressors and unjust rulers, but it is very dangerous to point at any modern group or target based on this. Islam clearly protects innocent lives and always prioritizes peace. Here, scholars disagree. Some say it will happen in the future. Some say parts of it have already happened in history. And many warn us to study narrations carefully with context and not blindly apply them today. The safest view is we should research, seek knowledge from trusted scholars, and avoid sensationalism. In recent years, some extremist groups use the symbolism of black flags and Khorasan to attract followers. But this is not the true spirit of Islam. Islam does not allow killing innocents or spreading chaos. That is why we must approach these traditions with wisdom and responsibility. Khorasan is a land of history, knowledge, and mystery. Its name appears in narrations, but their meaning is complex. Some see it as a prophecy of future events, some as history already past, and some as symbolic lessons. What matters most is to understand it through proper knowledge, not through rumors or misuse. To learn more, watch our full video, and don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next part of this series.